There are some attorneys out there who never even get to argue in front of the Court of Appeals, and I got to do it before I even left law school.
A lot of students are talking about the clinical courses at the IU McKinney School of Law.
I won my case. That was pretty exhilarating.
The experience and the communication with clients, I think, is really what's going to be the most valuable experience in law school.
That's because clinical courses at IU McKinney can fast-track your career opportunities, even before you graduate.
When they come to the first class, they're given cases.
All of our clinics offer the student the opportunity to make an impact and make a difference in the client's life.
And especially when you have a student that's argued a case before the Court of Appeals or Supreme Court, a lot of lawyers don't do that in the first 5 or 10 years of their practice. So if a student's done that before they've even graduated from law school, that's pretty remarkable.
I think that's one of the benefits of being here. If you want to work with clients in a medical setting, you can work through the Medical Legal Partnership with the Health and Human Rights Clinic. If you want to represent an immigrant that's been detained, you can work with the Immigration Clinic. If you want to represent somebody that's fighting an appeal, you can write their brief. You can argue it in front of the Indiana Supreme Court through the Appellate Advocacy Clinic. I mean, that's a really rare opportunity. And in the Civil Practice Clinic, I mean, we think it's pretty exciting, but you can get somebody a divorce, you can get somebody a protection order, you can get someone's child support modified. Those are real life impacts for people that are really important to them.
Experiential learning benefits law students because it puts them in the trenches. It gets them in the courtroom.
I was in front of 3 judges from the Indiana Court of Appeals, and they were shotgunning questions at me, and I was having to answer them, and it was a great experience.
It's exciting as a professor to be able to offer more clinical experiential learning opportunities to students, and it's exciting for students to be able to plug into these opportunities.
Blocks from state government, the area's largest law firms, and a variety of clinical opportunities, IU McKinney is a destination for career-minded law students from across the country.
The experience is just invaluable.
Employers are always looking for practical experience.
Those students have such a head start on other new hires because they've worked with live clients, they've worked with real clients.
I've had a number of students say that the clinic was the best part of their law school experience.
I would certainly recommend to any student to get some clinical experience.
Fast-track your career now. Explore your options with clinic courses at IU Robert H. McKinney School of Law.